Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for parents looking to make lunchtime fun and practical for their kids. We're talking about the JXXM Bento lunchbox with Thermos bowl, designed to keep meals fresh and exciting throughout the day. First off, let's talk about what makes this lunchbox stand out. It comes with a variety of features that cater specifically to kids' needs. You get not just one, but multiple compartments, perfect for keeping different foods separate and fresh. The included thermos is a game changer. It keeps soups and other hot foods warm for up to 6 hours and cold foods chilled for up to 12 hours. That's ideal for ensuring your child enjoys their meal just the way they like it, whether it's a hot stew in winter or a refreshing salad in summer. Now, let's talk about the design. It's made from durable, BPA-free plastic that's both microwave and dishwasher safe. This makes it super convenient for reheating and cleaning. Plus, it's leak-proof. No more worrying about spills in your kid's backpack. The airtight seals and sturdy construction mean you can pack even liquids without any fear of mess. Beyond its storage capabilities, this lunchbox is designed with practicality in mind. The included ice pack keeps drinks and snacks cool, ensuring everything stays fresh until lunchtime. And check this out, it even comes with a set of utensils. A spoon and fork that fit neatly into their designated slots, so your child is always prepared. In conclusion, the JXXM Bento lunchbox with Thermos bowl is not just a lunchbox, it's a game changer for school lunches. With its thoughtful design, durability, and ability to keep food at the perfect temperature, it's no wonder it's a favorite among parents. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations. See you next time on Product Critique.